Tired of your boring old house? Jealous of Batman's cave or Iron Man's mansion? Well, good news. You don't need a billionaire's budget to turn your home into the ultimate superhero HQ. All you need are these. Ditch your dusty old mirror for this one. It's like having a personal stylist and life coach, all while you brush your teeth. Get fashion advice, personalized news, and even reminders for important dates. It's the ultimate way to start your day feeling sick of thermostat wars. This genius device learns your preferences and creates the perfect climate for every room, even when you can't agree on what perfect means. It's like having a personal HVAC expert at your beck and call, so you can focus on more important things, like choosing the perfect Netflix show to watch together. Forget Batman. This security system is the real deal. It watches over your home 24/7 with HD cameras, motion sensors, and smart locks. It can even tell the difference between a harmless squirrel and a potential threat. You'll sleep soundly knowing that your loved ones and belongings are safe and sound. Transform any room in your home into a party zone with the Mood Maestro lighting. Sync the lights to your music, set the mood for a romantic dinner, or even create a relaxing ambience for bedtime. This isn't just about lighting. It's about creating an experience in every room of your house. Who needs chores when you have this little cleaning ninja? It maps your home, avoids obstacles, and even empties itself. You'll have more time for fun, relaxation, or even fighting crime. Superhero stuff. Stop dreaming about superpowers and start living them. These gadgets aren't just smart, they're life-changing. Ready to upgrade your home and become the envy of all your friends?